A quick example of how to graph piecewise functions. So let's jump into this. Very first thing we're going to do is we need to create two tables. Once we've created two tables, we can plot the points from those tables. So I'm going to start by looking at this interval. So I'm going to create a table x and f of x, so the input and the output. So, and I'm going to use the boundary, so -6 to 0. So when x is a -6, the output is going to be a positive -4, sorry. And when the input is 0, the output is going to be a -4. And because this has an equal sign, this part is going to have a closed circle. And the other one, x is less than 0, this is going to have an open circle. So if I go to plot those, so x is a -6, the y value is a -4, so that's going to be right here. And I'm going to put a closed circle there. And then I'm going to do 0 and -4, and that's going to have an open circle. Once I've done that, I just connect those two pieces, and we're good. And that's it. Now I'm going to do the second piece, use a different color. It's going to be from 0, x is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 5. So I'm going to create another table, x and f of x, and the intervals are 0 to 5. So when I put 0 in, this is going to be 2 times 0 minus 3. I'm using this function there. So this is going to be 0 minus 3, so that's just going to be a -3. And then it's going to be 2 times 5 minus 3, and that's going to be 10 minus 3, so that's going to be a positive 7. So remember, neither one of the inequalities have, well, 0, this is going to be an open circle. This is going to be open circle. And this one is going to be a closed circle because it has an equal sign underneath. So if I were plotting this, I would go 0 and -3, which would be here, and that's going to be an open circle. And then I'm going to go 5, 7. So I go over to 5, go up 7, and this is going to be a closed circle. And then I'm just going to connect these 2 points. That's it. That's what the graph looks like. This is a function. It passes a vertical line test. This is all good. This is what you would do. Create your tables first, and then just plot your points. There you go.